this video, we're going to have a look at time. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day, and 7 days in 1 week. Since time is not based on powers of 10, calculations involving time can be quite tricky. To convert seconds to minutes, we would divide by 60. Minutes to hours, we would also divide by 60. Hours to days, we would divide by 24, and days to weeks, we would divide by 7. Going the other way, weeks to days, multiplying by 7, days to hours, multiplying by 24, and hours to minutes, multiplying by 60, and minutes to seconds, multiplying by 60. There are two types of ways to record time, 12-hour time and 24-hour time. For example, 5:30 a.m. AM, anti-meridian, means before noon. We would write in 24-hour time as 05:30. Similarly, 5:30 p.m. post-meridian, being afternoon, would be rewritten in 24-hour time as 17:30. Adding time. When adding time, it's easier to add the hours with the hours, the minutes with the minutes, and the seconds with the seconds, and then convert to total time. A student started studying for 1 hour and 45 minutes and 2 hours and 50 minutes. How long did they study altogether? Let's add the hours. 1 hour plus 2 hours, 3 hours. And 45 minutes plus 50 minutes is 95 minutes, which is 1 hour and 35 minutes. Adding the hours with the hours, 3 hours plus 1 hour, we have 4 hours and 35 minutes. They studied for 4 hours and 35 minutes altogether. When calculating elapsed time, it's easier to build up time to calculate. I use a number line that's not to scale. A student started studying at 3:54 p.m. and finished at 5:40 p.m. I'm going to draw a line, and they started studying at 3:54 p.m. and finished at 5:40 p.m. Again, nothing's to scale. Let's build up the time. To the nearest hour, which will be 4 p.m, is 6 minutes. To the nearest, let's go 5 p.m, we've got 1 hour. And then from 5 p.m. to 5:40, we have 40 minutes. So totally we have 1 hour, 40 minutes plus 6 minutes is 46 minutes. I'll do another example. The shift worker started work at 22:25, we're now using 24-hour time, and finished the next day at 06:10. How long did they work? Again, we'll draw a number line, that's not to scale, starting at 22:25 and finishing at 06:10. Building up to the nearest hour, which will be 2300, we have 35 minutes. Building up to midnight, 2400, we have 1 hour. Then going to 0600 will be 6 hours. And then we have the 10 minutes to take us to 06:10. In total, we have 1 hour plus 6 hour, 7 hours, 35 minutes plus 10 minutes, which is 45 minutes. So using an interval or number line that's not to scale can be really handy. It doesn't even need to be straight.